Okay, well, let us go with the problem number 21, right? So read the problem carefully. The annual income of Rohan is 6 lakhs. He spends 99,250 on food, right? 36,750 on clothes and 1,11,500 on other expenditure annually. What is his annual saving? What percent of his income does he save in a year? That is what we need to calculate, right? Let us check out now. So the savings is equal to annual income, right? Annual income minus annual expenditure, right? Annual expenditure. Now annual income is how much? That is 6 lakhs, right? Minus, now take this, he spends 99,250 on food plus 36,750 on clothes plus 1,11,000, right? 500 another expenditure. Now add this, right? How much it is going to be now? That is 6 lakhs. Now 0 plus 0 plus 0, that is minus 0, right? Again 0 plus 5, 5 plus 5 is 10, it is again 0, 1 carry. So 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 7, 13, 13 plus 2 is 15, 5, a 1 carry. So 2 plus 6 is 8, 8 plus 9 is 17, 7, 1 carry. 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 9 is 14, correct? 14, 1 carry, 1 plus 1 is 2. So he has spent this. So if you find difficult to add like this, you can go in this way only. 99,250, 36,750 and 1,11,000, so 500. 0, 0, 1 carry, 7 plus 3, 10, 15, 1 carry, 10, 17, 1 carry, 10, 14, 1 carry, see, 2,47,500. Now subtract it here, right? 6 lakhs minus 2,47,500. 0, 0, 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 7 is 2, right? 9 minus 4 is 5 and 5 minus 2 is this 3, 5, 2, 5, that is 3,52,500 is saving is 3,52,500 is the savings of Rohan. Right, now what we have to find out, that is what percent of his income does he save in a year. That is what we need to find out now. The percentage is nothing but now 3,52,500, that divided by 6 lakhs, right, into 100. Now simplify it. This 2 0 0 I will cancel, this and these 2 0 I will cancel. The remaining is 3,525, that divided by 60. Right, let me go with the 5 12s are, right, 5 7s are 0, 5 5s are, right. Now divide this again, right. So this will become 705 by 12. Now 12 5s are 60, 12 6 are 72, 12 5s are 60, 10 carries is 105, 12 6 are, not 12 6 are, 12 8s are 96, 12 8s are 96, that is 9 carry, right. Now 9, that is 58 point, 12 7s are 84, 6 5, that is the percentage of saving is 58.75%. This is the answer.